In this video, we're going to get this Yale Assure Lock SL installed on our door here. And as you can see, our deadbolt is very close to this molding. So I actually contacted the company and asked them, would this actually work on my door? And they said yes. So let's go ahead and see if it works. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Also, if you're interested in building the ultimate smart home, check out the video description for the 3 simple steps to get started. So let's see what's in the box and get it installed. Alright, so there's really not much in the box. This would be the inside part here that you would manually twist as you go in and out. Pretty solid, very heavy. And then this is going to be the outside part, and this is where you actually type in the code. And then the only other thing really besides the hardware and batteries is the Zigbee module. This is a Zigbee lock, and this will plug right into the top in here, and that will give you control through SmartThings and Alexa. So the only thing we need to do now is just basically uninstall our lock, and all you're going to need is a screwdriver. Just unscrew the screws that you see on your existing lock and then install this one. And they also have an app that will walk you through the installation, so I'm not going to get into that, but I will show you the app on this screen as I install it. Alright, so now that we have the actual physical lock installed, we can add it to SmartThings now. So we get the plus sign, and let's tap on device, and then let's find Yale in the list. There it is, way at the bottom here. Tap on Yale, tap on door locks, and we have a Yale Zigbee lock, so let's tap on that, and let's tap on start. Alright, so begin with the device locked. Tap the gear key.
Menu mode. Enter number. Press the wireless module setting mode. Press the gear key to continue.
Alright, press the gear key.
Join the wireless network. Join the wireless network.
And then I guess hit the gear key again.
Completed.
Alright, and now it says success on our SmartThings app. It actually came in as a thing, so let's go ahead and click on done. And after you add something, it's automatically going to go down and find it and jiggle it. So here it is here, and it says connected. That is not correct because it should be a lock. Let's go into our IDE. So I have it right here. And we're just going to go ahead and log in. Sign in with our Samsung account. Alright, now once in here, tap on the hamburger menu in the upper right corner, and we're going to go down and click on devices. Now once in devices, what we want to do is we want to find our back lock, which is right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to come down and we are going to edit this. And let's just name it, instead of thing, let's name it back lock. Alright, it has the Zigbee ID. And the type came into as 2015 Samsung Smart TV. Well, that's obviously not correct. All right, so Yale does not show up in the list. So what we need to do is we just need to choose Zigbee lock. And Zigbee lock is here. And just tap on done. and then click on update. All right, now if we go back to our SmartThings app, let's go into back lock now, and there we go. All right, so now you can see that the lock is showing now the status, and now we can easily lock the lock just by tapping on it in the app. There you go, it just locked, and now we can unlock it, of course, as well. All right, so now that we have the lock added to SmartThings, we can use that in automations. Like so when everyone leaves, lock all the doors. It's going to lock this door, it's going to lock the front door. I know that the locks are kind of expensive and they're not very glamorous, but they add a ton of functionality to your smart. All right, so now what we need to do is just add this to Alexa. All right, now when you go into the Alexa app, you can see that it says one lock discovered. Tap on view. Now we have the back lock here as a new device. So we can tap on here, and if we wanted to lock it from this app, we can easily do that. There you go. And it says that unlocking is disabled by default. To enable unlocking by app, go into the settings for this lock. So you can go into the settings here. So there are some other options in here in the Alexa app. But that is basically all you need to do to set it up. Add it to SmartThings, add it to Alexa, and now you have full control over this lock anywhere in the world as long as you have internet. All right, and that is how you install the Yale Assure lock. It's very easy. As you can see, it looks very nice. It works very well. It's so sleek on the outside and looks really good. So that is all you have to do to install this. Get it set up with SmartThings, get it set up with Alexa so you can have your voice control. Now, locks are one of the most important things that you can add to your smart home. Number one, because they add a ton of convenience, and they also add a lot of security. So when you actually leave your house, all of your doors can lock. Where if you just had a normal lock, that would not be possible. Also, it adds a ton of convenience because you can add codes and share codes. That way, everyone can get in without having to have a key or losing a key. No keys anymore. You don't need keys. No one needs those things. This is a much better solution, and you don't even have to have a smart home to get a lock like this. You can easily use this just by using the code. Also, it has Bluetooth in there as well, but using the smart home is really the best, or the code itself. We have one at the front door. Now we have one at the back door. I got one other door that comes in from the garage that I want to add a smart lock as well. That way when we go to bed, all of our doors lock and we're nice and secure. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the other videos on the screen now, and I will see you in the next video.